Staying well informed about your community and the world is critical to your academic and professional success. But today's news environment can feel overwhelming. This tutorial can help you develop better strategies for asking the right questions and finding the best sources when you read the news. Start by considering the sources you rely on. Social media can be great for checking in with friends and sharing pop culture, but anyone can post content, and most of what we see here is opinions that tend to extremes. Try starting with established news sources that employ professional reporters who commit to journalistic standards and use editors who review for accuracy. Especially if you are following a recent event or a controversial topic, check at least 3 different articles about the issue. Check whether the details are consistent or look for variations. Look for quotes. Who did the reporter interview? Does the article have eyewitnesses or bystander accounts? Was a subject or policy expert asked for their perspective? Does the article refer to statistics? Where do the numbers come from, if so? Look for how the writer uses language to stir emotion in the reader. Is the article using language to create anger or fear? Do you see adjectives that paint an overly positive or ugly portrait of a stakeholder? No matter what sources you use, always use your critical judgment when you read the news. If you want more resources and tips on better ways to be a news consumer, check out the library's Be Savvy Research Guide. Starting at our homepage, clicking on Topic Guides, using the drop-down, alphabetically choosing Be News Savvy, and then clicking Go. If you get stuck or need guidance, contact a librarian by clicking on the Ask Us tab to find our contact information. Good luck with your research, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.